ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. Well, the market overnight went back to relook at that resistance of 76.60, and as you can see, it clearly retreated from that region. Now, from the recent break of this week of 75.95, I'm still holding the view that the market will eventually head down towards the key support of 75.40. Now, a break beneath there unfolds the bearish sentiment to a potential target of 74 cents. In light of the 4 hours and also the daily and also with the hourly still supportive of this move down, and also the retreat from last night at 76.60 does heighten the chances of 75.40's challenge. And as I say, if it breaks beneath there, then 74 cents will be on the cards. The euro, well, as you can see, the first challenge at 113.60 was fouled. The second challenge, again, you can see for the last 12 hours, the market's retreated from that region. In view of this, and also with the technicals still holding to a negative bias, I'm looking for a move towards 112.40, and a break beneath there would expose a move towards 111.65 and then lower to the awaited target of 109.50, which I've been waiting for quite some time. But while we keep getting these rejections, we may have found a short-term ceiling, and I do expect to see this pull back. Well, dollar yen, no change, still locked in a 99.40 to 101.15 range, with the bias at the moment showing some encouragement to the upside, but I feel this will fail towards 60 to 70 on 100 and look back towards the downside. The further we get hesitations of challenges of 101.15 heightens the outlook of seeing this move down to 99.40. Beneath here, it does hold towards 98.60 as the objective. Well, sterling carried on its bullish sentiment overnight and got through the level of 131.70, but no real call to the upside. As you can see, once it broke, stabs towards that 132, reaches there again, and now sort of backs away from there. Although the call from the break of 131.70 is towards 133, I'm a little bit cautious of that call, because if we see a move back through 131.50, it will negate the upside and then reopen the move down towards 130.25. So the next 24 hours is a key to see whether 131.5 holds. And if it does, then yes, the upside will continue. But if it doesn't, then this will negate any bullish threat and looks back towards that 130.25. Well, gold, pretty much directionless at the moment, still locked in a 13.28 to a 13.50 range, with firmer resistance above holding around 13.57. In light of the technicals, I'm still calling towards 13.28, and if we get a breakthrough there, then that would look down towards that bullish fortress around 1300 and reassess from there. Selling to strength, as resistance is expected to still hold around 57 to 58. Well, oil broke through 47.25, and as I thought the market actually will stage a retracement, but it seemed to wanting to break that level first and then get the retracement and cover most of its losses. Now, as long as we remain under 48.50 or 48.40, then I'm looking for a further fall down towards $44 a barrel. In the next 24 hours, if we get a move above 48.40, then this will negate the downside and look back towards 49.20 and then higher up towards $50 a barrel. But you can see here technically from the dailies or the longer term view is the fact that we are still heading towards this downside. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoy your day ahead.